It has been 6 months since I last made a video. I found all these clips on my phone, so I thought I'd throw them together. This TE300 was in for a Supermoto conversion. I started by stripping out the wheels and getting the new wheels built up. We altered the gear ratio so it was more appropriate for the road and I fitted new tyres and discs. If there's anyone out there that doesn't know what a Supermoto is, it's basically an off-road bike that's converted to the road by fitting smaller wheels, slick tyres and bigger brakes. But in recent years, loads of companies have jumped on the bandwagon and make these straight from the factory. As with most conversions, a few modifications were needed. I had to take a small section out of this chain protector to give it clearance for the wider wheel that we fitted. After the gold chain has been fitted, we can move on to the bigger front disc. You always uprate the front brake on these Supermotos. The reason for it is the standard off-road front brakes are way underpowered for the road. When you're off-road, you just don't need the power that you do when you're on the road at the speeds you're travelling. And that's it done.